Hi, welcome to our channel. If you're still relying on outdated tools on modern projects, you're losing time and money. These 10 smart construction tools are transforming how architects and builders work in 2026. Some of these can cut your project time in half. Before we dive in, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more contents. Let's start. Still climbing ladders just to measure ceiling height? This digital laser measurer gives instant, accurate readings in seconds. No tape bending, no second person needed, no calculation errors. Perfect for architects doing site inspections or contractors estimating materials. If precision matters to your work, this tool pays for itself fast. Crooked tile lines and uneven cabinets destroy a project's finish. This self-leveling laser projects perfectly straight horizontal and vertical lines instantly. Set it down, turn it on, it levels itself. It's a massive upgrade from bubble levels. Clean lines equals professional results. Hidden leaks, electrical hotspots, insulation failures. You can't fix what you can't see. This handheld thermal camera reveals temperature differences behind walls in real time. Architects use this for inspections. Contractors use it to avoid expensive callbacks. One scan can prevent thousands in repairs. Guessing angles leads to wasted cuts. This digital angle finder gives exact measurements instantly. Perfect for staircases, roofing, cabinetry, and framing. No mental math, no rework, just precise angles every time. Drilling into a live wire is a nightmare. This advanced stud finder detects wood studs, metal studs, and live electrical wires. Safer installs, cleaner mounting, less damage. A must-have for renovations. Need to see inside walls or tight spaces? This flexible inspection camera snakes into hard-to-reach areas with a live screen feed. Perfect for plumbing, electrical troubleshooting, and structural checks. It eliminates guesswork instantly. This isn't your grandfather's tape measure. It digitally records measurements and sends them to your phone. Perfect for architects drafting on site. No more forgotten numbers. No more scribbled notes. Installing flooring on damp concrete ruins projects. This moisture meter instantly detects surface moisture levels. It prevents costly material failures. Small device, massive protection. Heat slows productivity. This rechargeable Jobsite fan keeps air circulating even without power outlets. Lightweight, durable, Jobsite ready. Comfort increases efficiency. Bad lighting causes bad workmanship. This ultra-bright rechargeable LED light floods the area with clean, white light. Long battery life. Shock-resistant build. Work smarter. See everything. If you're serious about upgrading your workflow, all tools are linked below. Modern builders don't work harder. They work smarter. See you on our next video. Stay smart.